Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to discuss about cherry pick. Now let's understand why do we need to cherry pick. So here I have two branches, one is master and one is feature. As part of my feature change, I have made 3 commits. Let's call it commit 1, 2 and 3. Now out of these 3 commits, I want commit 2 to apply into my master branch. So in that case, I can cherry pick commit 2 and apply into master branch. Now let's check the Git status, and here this is clean working directory. I'm going to check the branch. I have only one branch, that is master. So I'm going to create a new branch using checkout command. And now we are in new branch. So here I'm going to edit apple.txt file. I will add one more line here, and it will be line 200, and we'll say cherry pick example. Just to ensure like this change we are going to select as a part of cherry pick. So if I'll see the Git status, apple.txt file has been modified, so I'm going to add and commit this change, and as part of the commit message I will give it like cherry pick. Now let's see the Git status. Again, it's a clean working directory. So again we are going to edit orange.txt file, and here in this file we'll just give some message like not to cherry pick, so that this change we are not going to select. Now let's save this, and here if you see the status, one file has been modified, so we are going to add and commit this change. Again the message I will keep it like not to cherry pick. So here if I see the log, we have two commit, one for cherry pick and one for not to cherry pick. So now let's check out to master branch, and in master also we are going to edit orange.txt file, and here let's open orange.txt file, and here I'm just going to give one message here, say date, like line 10, and added to orange. That's okay. Now let's save this file, and if you see the Git status, orange file has been modified, so I'm going to add and commit this change. So orange file updated in master, which we updated this file in new branch also. Now if you see the log, orange file updated in master, this message we can see here. Now I will see all the logs. So here in new branch we have two commit, one is cherry pick, another is not to cherry pick, and in master we have orange file updated in master. These 3 commit I have. Now if I wanted to select this cherry pick, and that change I wanted to apply into master branch, so for that I have already selected this commit ID. So cherry pick and this commit ID, enter, and file has been updated. So here we can see. Now if you see the log, in master we have cherry pick commit added here. So if we'll open this apple.txt file, we can see this line what we added as part of the new branch. So thanks for watching.